Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Xbox model and ensuring at least 5 GB of free storage. That prevents interrupted installs. Once done, connect via Ethernet or a steady Wi-Fi signal so the download is reliable. Sign into your profile and make sure automatic updates are enabled in settings. This saves time later. Do not power off the console while updating. Finally, plug the console into a stable power source and keep it awake so the system can complete the first update phase. You navigate to Settings, choose System, then Updates to start the download. The console will show a progress bar and estimated time. Watch it briefly to confirm the transfer is active. If the update is large, prefer a wired connection because it reduces packet loss and speeds up installation. During installation, do not remove power or eject storage. That can corrupt the OS. If the console restarts, let it. Multiple reboots are normal. Once the install finishes, the system will finalize files and prepare your profile. You finish by checking Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Console Info to confirm the new version. Restart the console one more time and launch a game or app to verify stability and performance improvements. If something fails, do a full power cycle. Hold the Xbox button 10 seconds, unplug 30 seconds, then restart. If problems persist, use the Xbox offline system update via USB to repair the OS. That avoids bandwidth issues. When you're done, consider enabling automatic updates so future patches install seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.